Hi. So today is the last and final day, and this is my absolute favourite one. All you need is a eyeshadow palette that has a black and red in it, glitter glue, some brushes, like a brush like this, a big fluffy brush like this, and an angled brush. You'll need some sort of paint palette. I use a Neil's Materials Flesh Tones Alcohol Activated palette, and all you need is some fake blood. So let's get into this. So you're going to start off with the eyes. You can take red and put this all on the lid, mainly focusing higher up towards the brow bone. Take an orange. I forgot to say that at the beginning, but you'll also need orange, and just put this above the red. Take a black. Put this all over the lid. Also, you're going to take this underneath your eye. I normally put it in my waterline because it seems to help get that lovely black effect. So do that and just sort of apply it to your lashes. Now I'm going to do the exact same on this eye, so I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so those are the eyes done. So really quite nice in my eyes. I just like this. Then you're going to do the wound, which will be up in this corner here. So take whatever your paint palette or whatever it is you're going to be using. Take a redishy colour. Oh, I forgot to add. You'll need an old paintbrush. Okay, so I've got my old paintbrush. I'm just going to do that. Basically, take a light red, dark red, and then some fake blood, and I'll speed it up and you'll still be able to see. So, speed up time. Okay, now time to do the bruising. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and dip it into a blue. And that's what's giving it that bruise effect. Coolio! And now we're going to do the lips. So I'm just going to put some glue on my lips because I feel this helps the black stick. There we go. Now I'm going to take this brush again, and I'm going to dip this in the black again, and basically apply this all over the lid of the lips. You can do this with a black lipstick, but I don't have one and I don't have a use for it. There we go. Take your angled brush, dip it in the black. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to elongate your mouth. Simples. No need to worry. This happened and that happened. Take away the whole thing. It shouldn't be too messy of a job until it's back at the beginning. Take some more black on your brush. Go again. There we go. That's okay for me. I mean, this one's a lot nicer now. Now you can draw lines. So you have some black on your, get some more black on your brush. You're literally just going to take it like this and go. Press, release. Press, release. And you're going to do 2 on each side. Press, release. Press, release. There you go. Now, you should still have some fake blood on this brush, so you can, or not. So take some fake blood and pop it on your brush. And pop it on your brush. And draw lines. And then add some fake blood in the corner of your mouth. I think I got red in my mouth. Gosh. Okay, so this is the finished look. I think it's absolutely spooky. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you when I next upload a video. Bye!